Hi, my name is Daniel. Um, I'm going to be talking about the choices that got me to this point in my life. Those are four basic choices that I think I have made through my period of time. Those are Colombia, hard work, soccer, and my friends. It all started with my country, where I was born, Colombia. Um, Me and my family, we made a decision to move to this country. I think that was a big thing. It was a drastic change, a lot different. When I got here, I decided to take soccer really serious and just practice a lot. I figured it would get me into college in a way, and it did, and it worked. I got into HTU with a scholarship that sadly it didn't work out for me, but it's fine. And I decided to instead put my hard work in school, so I decided to take all my classes really serious and just work really hard, and it all paid off. I have a 4.0 GPA, which is good. And my friends, um, they all want to be successful, which is I think we all have in common. So it helps a lot, and those are four basic factors that are have me here today. Thank you very much.